Hi guys, my name is Akanksha and you are watching me on Beast Called Beauty. In this channel, I will basically make content on health, wellness, fashion and lifestyle. Basically, कुछ साल पहले तक I used to be very unhealthy. I used to live a very sedentary lifestyle और मैं बहुत ही under confident भी थी अपने आप को लेकर. But धीरे धीरे I am trying to change all of that and I am taking certain steps in my life to improve my confidence and also improve my overall physical health. तो अगर आप ज़रा सा भी मेरे से रिलेट कर रहे हैं तो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल बिकॉज मैं आपको अपनी पूरी जर्नी दिखाने वाली हूँ. वी आर गोना ट्राई अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स ओवर हियर. सो ऑन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव नोट, लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेस वीडियो. In this video, I'm basically trying out clothes that I was always too afraid to try on. मुझे हमेशा डर लगता था. मैं उन कपड़ों की तरफ देखती भी नहीं थी क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि यार ये तो किसी पतली लड़की के लिए ही बने हैं यार, मेरे पे सूट करेंगे ही नहीं. पर आज ये माइंडसेट जो है ना वो बदलने वाला है बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन सम ऑफ द क्लोथ्स दैट आई ऑलवेज रियली लाइक but I was too afraid to try them on. Today I'm going to try them out in this video. So yeah, I picked up 3 बॉडीकॉन ड्रेसेस फ्रॉम ज़ारा. ऑनेस्टली मुझे साइज का भी थोड़ा डर लग रहा है क्योंकि इट वॉज वेरी वियर्ड व्हेन आई वेंट टू द ज़ारा स्टोर. Mostly all pieces were only small and medium, and when you ask them where are the large or XL sizes, they say कि warehouse पे है, you order, will send it to you and all of those things. Most of the things this was the case. तो फाइनली मुझे 3 ड्रेसेस पसंद आई एंड थैंकफुली उसमें साइज लार्ज था, तो आई हैव गॉट दैट. ओके, द फर्स्ट बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस इज थिंग अबाउट बॉडीकॉन ड्रेसेस आर कि वो देखने में इतनी इंटिमिडेटिंग लगती है. लाइक लुक एट दिस एंड दिस. I selected this because of the color. Look at the color. The color is like really gorgeous. I feel it will really highlight all of the curves that now I'm trying to be proud of, but I'm a little cautious of. But let's see. Let's try. Here we go. Look at this. I am not wearing any kind of shapewear, so this is all natural. I do not feel bad in it. I feel really nice. The color is gorgeous. Good. It's good to see myself like this. I feel sexy. I feel empowered. It's a very nice fall kind of a look, which I love. And not bad at all. Very surprising. Okay, not gonna lie. The next one is a little intimidating, and it was really hard to pick this one. I really thought a lot whether I'll be able to wear this in reality and show everyone. But okay, there you go. I'll just show you the dress. So, this is the dress. I usually do not go for such a light color. This is still not light, it's somewhere in the middle, but it was again fight within to pick this one. This is not even as stretchy as this one. So I'm a little skeptical about this, whether it will be fitting me or not. But I really wanted to challenge myself and try this. So let's see. Like this. I really like this. It's surprising that I like it. I would have never picked this color. I wouldn't have never picked this dress, but now I feel why not? Like it is so different. I look different, so I feel better because I've never looked like this. बहुत सही लग रहा है यार. It's looking very nice. I like it. I like it for what it is. This is what it is. To pick something that you would have normally not have picked for yourself, but you always wanted to. You always used to look at it and think, "Arey, why? Yaar, what a dress!" But maybe not for me. And then to finally try it and feel so good about it, I think there's something to it. Like I feel really confident now, and more pretty about myself and more proud of myself. So yes, I think it's a success. Okay, so the next thing that we are trying on, this is also the last piece. Here you go. Now, this is something that I would have loved on a rack, It's a beautiful black dress, full sleeves, something I really go for. And there's this cut in the middle, and I would have loved this dress on a dad, but I would have normally not picked it up because it's a bodycon. So at the end of it, I would have thought ki nahi, maybe not for me. But to get this dress, it felt really nice. And let's see how it looks. Let's try this. ये है हमारी लास्ट ड्रेस. uh, I don't know. I like it. I like the idea of it, but I don't know if the structure is that good of this dress. ये थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है, and I don't know if I would like to wear something like this and feel comfortable, not because of how it looks on my body, but just the way it is. It's the dress that I'm not really fond of. I mean, I still like the fact that I can try a bodycon like this, maybe with a different cut, and it might look good on me. So, and I might feel good about it. This is how it looks. Yes. In conclusion, बहुत मजा आया. Uh, I tried everything that normally I would never try. So the fact that मैंने वो try किया और मुझे वो अच्छा लगा, बहुत बड़ी बात है. I think I feel really proud of myself. I think the only learning that I'm taking away from this is कि it's not necessary that a dress is made for a certain body type only. And the gap here is that a lot of brands do not show their outfits on different body types, so we don't know whether it will look good on me or not. And most often than not, a lot of people have fear in their head कि if it doesn't fit me or it doesn't look good on me, it will just ruin my mood. So इसलिए people don't even go for such things, even though in the back of their head they really want to. आई होप जो ब्रांड्स हैं वो थोड़ा सा अपनी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज में ये चीज़ ऐड करें कि डिफरेंट बॉडी टाइप्स को रिप्रेजेंट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं कोई चीज़ बाय नहीं करूँगी अगर मुझे लगेगा कि यार शायद वो मुझ पर अच्छी ना लगे. वो शायद वाली फीलिंग इसलिए आती है क्योंकि मैंने कभी अपने जैसे लड़कियों को या अपने जैसे बॉडी टाइप पे वो चीज़ें देखी ही नहीं है. आई थिंक प्रॉब्ली द टेक अवे फॉर यू गाइस आल्सो शुड बी कि जस्ट गो आउट देयर. एंड जो एक चीज़ है जो तुम हमेशा सोचते हो कि यार आई लव दिस बट शायद ये मुझ पर इतनी अच्छी ना लगे, जस्ट गो फॉर दैट थिंग, जस्ट गेट इट एंड जस्ट वेयर इट एंड सी. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर दीजिए. अगर आपको लगा कि किसी और को इस वीडियो से शायद थोड़ा बेनिफिट होगा तो शेयर कर दीजिए. सब्सक्राइब इसलिए करिए क्योंकि आई एम गोइंग टू मेक मोर कॉन्टेंट लाइक दिस. So I'm sure it will be fun. In my head it is fun, so I'm sure it will be fun. So please subscribe as well. Also guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I am there by the name of Beast Called Beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.